Welcome to this quick guide on turning on security alerts for WhatsApp Web on your PC with the latest update. If you want extra peace of mind when you're chatting online, this feature is a real confidence booster. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and you can see all your chats on the left and your messages on the right. The setup process starts from the main screen, so you don't need to dive into any deep menus just yet. From the left side corner, above your profile photo, click on Settings. This is a slim, easily reachable area, so you won't have to hunt through multiple submenus. A small panel slides in, presenting a few options centered around your account and privacy. Next, click on Account. This section houses your security and privacy controls, giving you a clear path to strengthen how WhatsApp protects your conversations. You'll notice several toggles and settings that govern how your information is shared and monitored. Now, tap Security Notifications. This is the feature we're enabling today. It's designed to alert you when there are changes to your security code or new devices connected to your account, so you can spot any unexpected activity quickly. Finally, check Show Security Notifications on this computer. Turning this on ensures you'll receive alerts right on your PC whenever something significant happens with your encryption keys or device connections. If you value real-time awareness, this step is the key moment you want to enable. With security notifications activated on your computer, you're adding a proactive layer against potential intrusions. These alerts can help you confirm that communications remain private and that no one else has tampered with the cryptographic keys protecting your chats. If you ever need to adjust later, simply revisit the same path: Settings, Account, Security Notifications, and toggle the option back off or customize how you receive alerts. Keeping a close eye on these signals supports safer, more informed use of WhatsApp Web every day. That's all there is to it. A few taps or clicks, and you've boosted your security posture for WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this walkthrough useful, consider trying it now to experience the peace of mind firsthand.